The sleek profile of Wiremold non-metallic Raceway makes it ideal for residential surface wiring applications. The non-metallic material is easier to cut than metal Raceway, and it's both paintable and stainable. Today we're going to extend power lines, a project that's helpful in home offices, home entertainment centers, and other household projects. As technology continues to advance, the demand for power is constantly on the rise, and Wiremold non-metallic Raceway will keep you up to speed. The tools we'll need for the job are standard and long-nose pliers, a PVC cutter or a fine-tooth hacksaw, wire snips, wire stripper, standard and Phillips head screwdriver, tape measure, level and chalk line, a utility knife, and a drill. The Wiremold components needed for this project are a starter box for continuing existing circuits to additional receptacles. Note that all non-metallic boxes can be used as starter boxes, since bases have knockouts for starter box applications. We'll also need Wiremold non-metallic Raceway for housing the power cables, 2 flat elbows for 90-degree turns on a flat surface, 1 inside elbow for transitioning 90 degrees from wall to wall, 2 deep outlet boxes for housing the power lines, and accessory packs, which include anchors and screws for mounting the Raceway onto the wall, as well as wire clips for holding wires inside the base. Joint covers are also included in the accessory packs should you need them. First, shut off the power to the outlet that you'll be working on. Verify that all power in the box is off by using a voltage detector. These are available at most local retailers. Using a utility knife, the starter box is prepared by removing the knockouts in the back. Twist the scored knockout that matches the Raceway size you are using. For a clean look, be sure to twist the knockout inward when you're removing it. After removing the original faceplates and pulling the devices, attach the starter box bases for power. Measure and cut the Raceway for the required lengths using either a fine-tooth hacksaw or PVC cutter. Position the Raceway bases next to the starter box base. Drill through the base to install the anchors provided in the accessory packs. For horizontal runs, be sure to space the anchors 18 inches apart and install an anchor a ½ inch from each end. Secure the base to both walls using the screws provided. Then install the extension box base where the new power outlet will be. Now run the power wires along each Raceway base using the wire clips provided to secure the wires. Make the necessary connections and then trim the Raceway cover to accommodate inside and 90-degree corner elbows. Snap the Raceway covers over the base. Install corner elbows and joint covers if necessary. Attach box covers and faceplates. You can now turn your power back on. Again, the non-metallic Raceway can be painted or stained to match your decor. If staining, use only water or latex-based stains. Now we have extended power outlets for any in-house project you are tackling. Other common surface wiring applications include a ceiling light in a closet, adding power for new uses, home security, hardwired smoke detectors and sensors.